Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and what you have to do next is to press a combination power key and volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down at the same time, and that's how you take screenshot. You can also take screenshot by holding down power key, and after you see this menu appeared, just tap screenshot, and this works the same way. You can find your screenshot in photos here and the screenshot section, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.